Excuse me, sir. Oh my goodness. You were in our garden this morning. I did see you. You know why I saw you? Because I heard the kitties. I heard the kitties meow at you. They weren't very happy that you were there. It'd be nice. It'd be nice to this fella. You're new around here. And I see huge pom-poms. Ooh. Look at you, sir. Let him go. I don't want to move right now because the cars are driving. Don't want to scare a cat right now. Exactly. No cars, 2 seconds. Hey, kitty. Come on, let's cross the street. Come on. Let's have a chat. Come on. Come on. I'll call you Tesla. Or you Mr. Tesla. Elon Musk. No, you're not. No. I'll call you Tesla. I'm okay with that name. Come on. Fella. This car doesn't like us being so close to it. It's making noises. I don't know why it's making noises. Come on. Oh my goodness. This is the last thing I was expecting. He is allowing me to touch him. You are a loving cat. How come this is the first time we meet? Come on, let's go to the pavement. I'll give you something to eat. No. Oh, this is what's always so scary. Let's just spray that car, which is fine. Come on. Don't scare me like that, sir. He's so gorgeous. I'm in love right now. Okay, this is our chance. I'm gonna tend to your knees in a second. Hold on. This is my new friend right here. So cute. Hey Tesla, Mr. Tesla. Would you like to retire? Have a stress-free life. Only think about food. Sleep in your safety. We'll find you a nice garden. You can live in our garden. People will love you. We'll feed you. Let's see whether you're hungry. It was lovely meeting you.